Hello everyone. So I hope all you guys have been practicing the last few sessions. So last class we finished small fries formula for plus 2 and in today's class we are going to deal with small fries formula for plus 1. So at the end of this is the last small fries formula we are going to learn. After this session, we are going to do a practice session in which I will revise all the formulas from the beginning, that is the big fries formulas and the small fries formulas included. So without any further delay, let's get started into today's video. So today I'm going to teach you about small fries formula. Small fries formula for plus 1. What is the small fries formula for plus 1? It is add 5 less 4. What was the small fries formula for plus 1? No, sorry. What was the big fries formula for plus 1? 9 plus 1. Then the formula was less 9 add 10, right? The big fries formula for plus 1 was less 9 add 10. So last class I told you one small thing, how to understand the difference of usage between big fries and small fries formula. For big fries the simple line was, if 5 is busy, use big friend formula. If 5 is free, then obviously you will use small friend formula. So similarly, the big friend formula for plus 1 is less 9 add 10. Whereas the small friend formula for plus 1 is add 5 less 4. Okay, so if 5 is free, you will use small friend. If 5 is busy, then big friend. Busy, big friend. B for busy, B for big friend. This is the ground rule you need to remember whenever you will solve questions. This is very important. You won't understand it now, but in the other levels you will get to know. So I am stressing on this point because this is very important, that is to know the difference in between usage of the big friend and small friend formula, because when you learn all the formulas children get confused. So this point is very important. Okay, so now let's start solving our questions. Okay, as usual, so first we will do our basic finger exercise, which is 4 plus 1. 4. Now you have to do plus 1. For plus 1 we have two formulas, big friend and small friend. Now to understand which formula to use, we have to see how is 5. 5 is free. If 5 is free, then you will use small friend formula. Okay, so what is your small friend formula? Add 5 less 4. So do it. Add 5 less 4. What is your answer? Answer is 5. So similarly, if it is in your tens place, then as I told you in the previous videos, always when you get it in the tens place, then no need to panic. Just add a 0 to everything. So this is your 40 plus 10. Plus 10 means here you need to add 1. Means add 50 less 40. Add 50 less 40. Simple. So answer is 50. Now let's get started with the questions. We will solve 25 questions in this video. Okay? Yes. 412 is your first question. 4. Now for adding 1. See 5. 5 is free. 5 is busy. Use big friend. Here is 5 busy? No. 5 is not busy. Not busy means it is away from this horizontal bar. If a bead is like this, it is touching this horizontal bar, then it is known as busy. But when it is like this, away from the horizontal bar, then it is known as free. So here 5 is free. So you will use small friend formula. What is the small friend formula for plus 1? Add 5 less 4. Add 5 less 4. Then you have 2. So what is your answer? 5, 6, 7. 7 is your answer. Okay. Yeah, and I wanted to tell you, no, I'll tell it at the end. 4, 1, 4. This is your 4. Again 1. 5 is free. Use small friend formula. What is the small friend formula? Add 5 less 4. Add 5 less 4. Again 4. What is your answer? 9. If you are unable to read this abacus bead, then see my first two lessons in which I have taught you translation of beads to numbers and numbers to beads. Okay. Yes. And next question is 411. 4. 1 means again 5 is free. So use small friend formula. Add 5 less 4 is your small friend formula for 1. Then 1. So what's your answer? 6. Next question. 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 1. 2. Again 2. Now 1. For 1, your answer has to be add 5 less 4. Add 5 less 4. What's your answer? 5. Yes. Now next question. 3, 1, 1. 3. 1. Again 1. So for 1, again we have two formulas. Big friend and small friend. So if 5 is busy, you have to use big friend. Is 5 busy here? No, it is free here. So we will use small friend formula, which is add 5 less 4. So answer is 5. Next question. Now we are going into little bit of double digits, okay? So the question is 14, 1, 5. 14, 1. 5 is free, use small friend formula. Add 5 less 4. Now 5. 5 means since 5 is busy, you will use big friend formula. What is the big friend formula for 5? Less 5, add 10. So do it. Less 5, add 10. Less 5, add 10. What's your answer? 1, 2, 2. Here it's 0, 2, 0, 20. If you want me to solve questions separately for the PDFs I am providing in the description box, then you have please do put it in the comment section. If you comment it, then I will give answers for those also. Okay, now let's move on to the next question, which says 31, 3, 1. 31, 3, 1. 5 is free, so use small friend formula, which says add 5 less 4. Answer is 35. Next question is 29 minus 5, 1. 29 minus 5 and 1. For 1, what's your small? 5 is free, so use small friend formula, which is add 5 less 4. 25. Next question is 54, 1 and 2. 54, 1. 1 means, again you will use, since 5 is free, you will use small friend formula, which is add 5 less 4. So add 5 less 4 and then 2. Answer is 57. Yeah. Next question. 72, 2 and 1. 72, 2 and 1. For 1, 5 is free, so you will use small friend formula, which is add 5 less 4. So answer is 75. Okay? Yeah. Next question. 64, 1 and 3. 64, 1. For 1, since 5 is free, you will use small friend formula, which is add 5 less 4. Add 5 less 4 and then 3. Answer is 68. Okay? Next question. 89, 5 and 1. 89, 5. See, 5 is free or 5 is busy? Here 5 is busy. So you will use big friend formula. Big friend formula for 5 is less 5 add 10. So come on, do it. Less 5 add 10. Then you have 1. For 1, it's add 5 less 4. Why add 5 less 4, which is a small friend formula? Because 5 is free. So add 5 less 4. Answer is 95. Next question. 93, 1, 1. 93, 1. Again 1. 5 is free, so you will use small friend formula, which is add 5 less 4. Add 5 less 4. Answer is 95. Yes. Next question. 44, 1 and minus 5. 44, 1 means since 5 is free, so you will use small friend formula. Small friend formula for 1 is add 5 less 4. Add 5 less 4 and then 5. Again 5. So now to add 5 here, again 5 is busy, so you use big friend formula. Big friend formula for 5 is less 5 add 10. Less 5 add 10. For sorry. This is not a question you have to deal with now. Let me modify it a bit. We have 44, 1 and minus 5. So 44, 1 means 5 is free, so you'll use small friend formula, which says add 5 less 4 and minus 5. So answer is 40. Okay? Yeah. Next question is 14, 1, 4. 14. 1 means again 5 is free, so you will use small friend formula, which is add 5 less 4. Add 5 less 4 and again 4. Sorry. So the answer is 19. Yeah. So we move on to the next question, which is 11, 3, 1, 5. 11, 3, 1. 5 is free. So which formula you will use? Small friend formula. What is the small friend formula for 1? Add 5 less 4. Add 5 less 4 and 5 again. So for adding 5, see here, is 5 busy or free? 5 is busy. So you will use big friend formula. What is the big friend formula for 5? Less 5 add 10. So do it. Less 5 add 10. Your answer is 20. See how I am telling you, when you are solving, when you are a beginner, you have to say this out loud and solve, because when you say it out loud, those formulas will just run in your blood, literally. These formulas should be on your tips for you to easily solve these questions. Okay, formulas are the basic. Okay, you need to know this by heart, and that's why we have to practice. And when you practice, say it out loud. Once you remember all these things, then there is no issue. You will just enjoy solving abacus. Okay, so next question is 14. For 1 again, do you have 1 here? You don't have, so you need a formula. You have two formulas, big friend, small friend. Now how to rule out which one to use? By seeing the position of 5. So here 5 is free or busy? 5 is free. So if 5 is free, then which formula we will use? Small friend formula. What is the small friend formula for +1? It is add 5 less 4. So do it, add 5 less 4. Now minus 5. Now they are asking 7. So the answer is 17. Okay, so this is how you need to rule out and solve. Okay, so next question is 24, 1. 1 means again 5 is free, so use small friend formula, add 5 less 4. Now 3, now again you need to add 4. So for adding 4, now you have two formulas, small friend formula and big friend formula. So here is 5 free or busy? Here 5 is busy. If 5 is busy, use big friend formula. So now recall big friend formula for +4. It was less 6 add 10. So do it. Less 6 add 10. Answer is 32. Okay. Yes. Now we move on to the next question, which says 39, 1, 4, 1. 39, 1. See, again you need to add 1 here. But is 5 free here? No, 5 is busy. When 5 is busy, use big friend formula. And so for big friend formula, what is the formula, big friend formula for +1? It's less 9 add 10. So come on, do it. Less 9 add 10. Now add 4. Again you need to add 1. For adding 1 here, which formula will you use? Here 5 is free. So you will use small friend formula. Small friend formula for adding 1 is add 5 less 4. So what is your answer? Your answer is 45. It's again an important question. Okay, I'll again put it in description box, the important questions which I feel from this, so that you will specially note it down. Okay. 42, 2, 1, 4 is your next question. So we did 42, now 2. For again 1, we have to rule out whether to use big friend or small friend formula. For that, we need to see the position of 5. 5 in this question is free. So you will use small friend formula. And what is your small friend formula? Add 5 less 4. So add 5 less 4. And then again you need to add 4. So answer is 49. Next question. 67, 2 minus 5 and 1. So 67, 2 minus 5. And for 1 again, see 5 is free. So you will use small friend formula, which is add 5 less 4. Answer is 65. Next question is 54, 1, 5, 5, 1. 54. For adding 1, you need to use the small friend formula here because 5 is free. So the answer is add 5 less 4. Add 5 less 4. Okay. Now again you need to add 5. Is 5 free or busy? 5 busy, use big friend. 5 busy, big friend. Here 5 is busy, so you'll use big friend. Big friend formula for 5 is less 5 add 10. So come on, do it. Less 5 add 10. Less 5 add 10. And again 1. So answer is 61. Next question is 79 minus 5, 1 and 2. So 79 minus 5. Now for adding 1, 5 is free. So you will use small friend formula, which is add 5 less 4. Now 2. So answer is 77. Next question. 69 minus 5, 1 and 5. 69 minus 5, 1. For adding 1 again, you need to use the small friend formula because 5 is free. So what is your small friend formula for 1? It is add 5 less 4. So add 5 less 4. Now you need to add 5 again. For adding 5, the form here 5 is busy. So what will you use? The big friend formula, which is less 5 add 10. So do it. Less 5 add 10. Answer is 7070. Now we move on to our last question, which is 87, 2 minus 5 and 1. 87, 2 minus 5. And for adding 1 again, see here if it is free or not. No. Yes, 5 is free. Since 5 is free, you will use small friend formula. What is the small friend formula for 1? We read it just now. It is add 5 less 4. So come on, do it. Add 5 less 4. Answer is 85. So this is all the practice you can do for today's video. And in next video, we will do a revision of complete small fries formula once. And then in the further classes, I will move on to subtraction. And then we will mix up both addition and subtraction and then solve. Okay, I hope you're ready for doing all these things. Stay tuned, keep practicing. Every day I'm just giving you one formula, so it is not very much to do. Practice that one formula, practice questions based on that one formula. Next day we will again move on to the next formulas. Okay, thank you, bye bye.